A boat goes 36 km downstream and 32 km upstream in 7 hours. It can go 40 km upstream and 48 km downstream in 9 hours. Find the speed of boat in still water and the speed of current. Since we need to find the speed of boat in still water and speed of current, so let us assume speed of boat in still water be x and speed of current be y. Now before beginning to solve the question, let us understand the concept of downstream and upstream. Now suppose this is the stream. The flow of stream is in this direction and the boat is going in the opposite direction. When the direction of stream and direction of boat are opposite to each other, we say it is upstream or the boat is traveling upstream. Now we know that speed of current is y. Speed of boat in still water is x. Now because they are traveling in the opposite direction, the final speed at which the boat will be traveling is x minus y because they are traveling in the opposite direction. The exact opposite of upstream is downstream. Now suppose the stream is flowing in this direction and the boat is also traveling in the same direction as that of the stream. Now we know speed of the boat is x, speed of the stream is y. Then for downstream, that is this flow of the current and the boat are same. In such a case we call it as downstream and the speed of boat then becomes x plus y. So we will be using this concept to solve the question. Now we also know one more thing. We know that speed is equal to distance over time. Now in the question we are given time for travel. That is, a boat goes 36 kilometers downstream and 32 kilometers upstream in 7 hours. So here the concept of kilometers, that is distance, and hours is, that is time, is given, and you need to find out speed. So we'll be using this formula, speed is equal to distance upon time. Therefore time is equal to distance upon speed. Now we know that when it is going downstream, the speed is x plus y. When it is going upstream, the speed is x minus y. A boat travels 36 km downstream. So the distance it is traveling is 36 kilometers and it is going downstream. So the speed becomes x plus y. So distance upon speed gives us time. So the time it will take to go downstream is 36 upon x plus y. Similarly, it will take 32 upon x minus y time to go upstream, and together for upstream and downstream it takes 7 hours. So the sum of this becomes 7. This is our equation 1. Same way we will make equation 2. Equation 2 becomes then 40 upon x minus y plus 48 upon x plus y is equal to 9. This becomes our equation 2. Now we will be solving equation 1 and 2 to get the values of x and y. But x and y are in the denominators. So we will be substituting. So substitute 1 upon x minus y as a and 1 upon x plus y as b. Therefore our equation 1 becomes 36b plus 32a is equal to 7, and equation 2 becomes 40a plus 48b is equal to 9. I label this as my equation 3 and this as my equation 4. Now I'll be rearranging this equation in the form of a and b. So my equation 3 then becomes 32a plus 36b is equal to 7. All I've done is rearranged a and b. Now I'll be using elimination method to solve these two questions. So to do that, we have to first make the coefficients same. So I'll be making the coefficient of B same. So to do that, I multiply my equation 3 with 4 and I multiply my equation 4 with 3. So now my new equation, that is equation 3, becomes 128a plus 144b is equal to 28. I have multiplied 4 to each of the terms. My equation 3 then becomes 120a plus 144b is equal to 27. I put this as my equation number 5 and this as my equation number 6. Now we have the coefficients of b same, so I'll be subtracting the two equations. So on subtracting, we get 128a plus 144b minus 120a plus 144b is equal to 28 minus 27. So when I open the bracket, it becomes 128a plus 144b minus 120a minus 144b is equal to 1. 144b cancels. I'm left with 8a is equal to 1. Therefore, a is equal to 1 by 8. Now I substitute the value of a equal to 1 by 8 in either of these equations. So substitute a is equal to 1 by 8 in equation, say I do it in equation 3. Therefore, 36b plus 32 times 1 by 8 is equal to 7. Therefore, 36b is equal to 7 minus 8 divided by 32 is 4. So, 7 by 4. Therefore, b is equal to 3 by 36, which is equal to 1 by 12. I have also got the value for my b. Now, we had already substituted our 1 upon x minus y as a and 1 upon x plus y as b. I got the value for my a as 1 by 8 and my b as 1 by 12. So we resubstitute these. So we get x minus y is equal to 8 and x plus y is equal to 12. Now we need to solve these two equations again simultaneously to get the values for x and y. So because we have the coefficients same, all I'll be doing is elimination method again to solve these two equations. So I'm subtracting the two equations. So on subtracting, x minus y minus x plus y is equal to 8 minus 12. So x minus y minus x minus y is equal to minus 4. So minus x plus x cancels out. We are left with minus y equal to minus 4. Therefore, minus 2y is equal to minus 4. Minus minus cancels. And therefore, y is equal to 4 divided by 2, which is equal to 2. You got the value for y. Now substitute this in either of these equations and get the value for x. So say put y is equal to 2 in x plus y equal to 12. Therefore, x is equal to 12 minus 2 and therefore x is equal to 10. So we have got the values for x and y, which is 10 and 2. So the speed of boat in still water, which is x, is equal to 10 and that of current is equal to